Today, I'm taking everyone on a tour of a money-making laboratory. This is the R&D building of Enjoypowers. The rooftop is equipped with a 30 kilowatts photovoltaic array, and on the first floor, we have our microgrid experimental platform. Let's take a look at how it generates revenue. Follow me. The rooftop photovoltaic system connects to our solar storage integrated unit, as well as to our 230 kilowatt-hours battery system. It can also connect to the grid and a diesel generator. Let's open the cabinet and take a look. Enjoypowers solar storage integrated unit is designed with a modular structure. Here, we have our PCS, STS, and DC-DC components. The DC-DC converter can either connect to the photovoltaic system or be used to boost the battery voltage. Below, it can connect to photovoltaics, batteries, critical loads, and the main grid. It can also communicate with our diesel generator via B, C, N, and communication lines. Allow us to start up the diesel generator from here. This is our grid adaptability testing platform, which can simulate various grid conditions and power quality issues. Here, we have a variety of loads, resistive, capacitive, and inductive loads of 500 kilowatts and 500 kVA, respectively. Motor-based loads for simulating impact load characteristics, enabling us to verify the stability and adaptability of our microgrid experimental platform. On the EMS interface, we can see that this platform has been operating for several months, generating around 8,000 RMB each month. So, what do you think of this money-making experimental platform? Anyone interested in coming for a visit?